Alright, let's get all our fidget toys down from here. Hello Kitty Poppet, a Mickey Poppet, and a finger fidget Poppet. Right. I think you're supposed to spin it and pop it while it's spinning. I don't know. Hey, do we have other fidget toys?
No, I don't think so.
We have a little bit of finger fidgets.
I don't think we have any.
Except for this finger fidget Poppet.
Yeah, that's a cool one.
And then we have this one. Straight from the top. Go to the bottom. Look at all these fidget toys. Nice fidget toys. Look at all this. Right now, I'm betting I can pop all these before you guys can like and subscribe. You guys might not know how to like and subscribe if you're kids. You might not be able to spell. And here's our Mickey Poppet. We're gonna pop him. So satisfying. We have some fidget toys at least. Fidget toys are fun. Yeah, I like fidget toys. Whoa, that's cool.